Rain out there, and it was quite hairy driving in today, but I guess it's getting better out there.
Yeah, everybody else is lucky you don't have to commute to work at 3 a.m. because it was really coming down when we drove in. The good news is that steady rain is coming to an end up and down the Willamette Valley. Still seeing areas of rain, but we're switching over to on and off showers, and those will continue for the morning hours. This afternoon, decreasing showers. High temperatures right around 60, so a few degrees warmer than yesterday, with potentially even a few sun breaks later today. 50s this evening, mainly dry with partly cloudy skies. Here's a nice live look outside. The roads are wet, but it's not raining at the moment in downtown Portland. Winds out of the south, 15 miles per hour. I certainly noticed the Fremont Bridge, that flag on top was blowing in the wind this morning. Much of the I-5 corridor is dry right now. Outside of some spot showers, it's very wet east of the Cascades. You can see out toward Pendleton, Heppner, Condon, and Antelope. But I'll zoom in and show you around the metro area. The wettest location is as you're headed on into the gorge around Corbett. You're just starting to see the back edge of that steady rain move through. Further south in the Willamette Valley, Wilsonville and Canby, you're getting clipped by just a brief light shower. Our weather pattern, well, we've got a lot of moisture headed to us from just to the west of Hawaii. And then there's this tropical cyclone Nuri with sustained winds 145 miles per hour this morning. It's moving to the north-northeast at 10 miles per hour. So this could potentially impact our weather in the coming week or so. I want to show you how. So here's Nuri, and watch. She gets kind of gobbled up by the jet stream. Could produce, models are saying, one of the strongest storms we've ever seen there in the Aleutian Islands off of Alaska. And what that does to the jet stream is it builds a strong ridge over the top of us, which means drier weather in the long term and more mild temperatures as we get into the weekend and perhaps beyond that. For the middle part of the country, it means a dip in the jet stream, much cooler weather in store. So here's Tuesday. We've got on and off showers, 8 o'clock this morning, both west and east of the Cascades. You continue to see that rain east of the mountains this morning, but both sides of the mountains, showers on the decrease as we get into the afternoon and the evening. Here's 6 o'clock, mainly dry here with some clouds around. We've got showers over the central and southern Cascades, drying out east, maybe a few spot showers. Wednesday looks like a drier day. Plenty of clouds around at 6 a.m., maybe a spot shower, especially north of Portland around 4 o'clock and through the evening hours. But again, not too bad, mainly dry Wednesday. Then more rains knocking at the door on Thursday, pushes inland, I think, by mid-morning or so. Doesn't look like all that strong of a system, and then we're drying out for Friday. Your forecast along the coast today, morning showers leads to a mainly dry afternoon. Winds gusting to 30 miles per hour this morning. Those winds will ease up. A wet morning through the I-5 corridor, and then a drier afternoon. Winds gusting to 20 miles per hour. Wet early east of the mountains and breezy, certainly breezy. Central Oregon, a lot of you under that wind advisory until noontime today. Decreasing showers this afternoon through the gorge and up over Mount Hood. Steady rain switching over to on and off showers, and that snow level 8,000 feet. So tomorrow a drier day, maybe a spotty shower possible, but that's about it. Rain develops again on Thursday, but Friday and Saturday looking dry. Potentially a weak system moves through on Sunday. That's still a question mark. And then Monday and Tuesday look dry. So certainly would be nice to get some dry weather. We've been so dang wet. Only one completely dry day in the last few weeks.
But your puppy Tucker doesn't mind the mud.
I know. Mike babysat my puppy yesterday. It was so sweet, so I could go get a pedicure with Jenny.
Well, and I discovered he just dives into the planters there, and I'm all, Sally's going to kill me.
No.
But no, he was fine.
Likes,
so,
and we got pedicures, and I had flip-flops on in that rain. Carly was invited, but she was too cool for school. So,
no. It was all because I got a pedicure a week ago. It's kind of
right.
pointless to get another one a week later. You know, they last about a month. I have to say, if you're paying, I'll babysit too.
Right.
Oh, I'm not paying.
No, I know. I'm just kidding.
But I will bring him a bottle of wine.
She did me a favor. We love Tucker time.